Imagine transforming every open house into a launch pad for your real estate career. This is where your journey goes from good to great. I'm Matthew from Be Great in Real Estate, and today we're talking about leveraging open houses to catapult your success. You see, hosting an open house for another agent isn't just a favor, it's a strategic move. It's about stepping into the spotlight, capturing interest, and cultivating a reputation as the agent who brings properties and possibilities to life. So let's break it down. When you host, you are the face of the property for that day. You are the impression and the lasting memory. Your mission? To be unforgettable. To do that, you need to be prepared, personable, and proactive. Know the property's every detail, charm everybody, be kind, anticipate their needs before they do. But it's more than just selling a home. It's about selling yourself. You see, each guest is a potential client. Each question a chance to demonstrate your expertise. And each handshake, a networking goldmine. So until next time, believe in yourself, keep learning, keep growing, and let's be great in real estate together.